Hello everyone, I am Bayan, a PhD student at Cardiff University. I'm honored to be here today to present my work titled PrivacyCube, a tangible device for improving privacy awareness in Internet of Things. So just a little background. With the rapid increase of IoT devices, consumers are bringing Internet of Things devices into their living spaces without knowing how these devices process their data, collect their data, and also retain their data. And also the nature of IoT devices, they are more small in nature, meaning they could go unnoticed by most people. So there are several data protection regulations, such as the GDPR and the CCCPA, that enforce transparency while collecting and processing consumers' data. They enforce the data collector to give consumers privacy notices and privacy policies to tell them about the privacy implications regarding the collection and use of their data. But unfortunately, most of these privacy notices and privacy policies are largely ignored, and they are forgotten or abandoned over time. This is maybe due to the way the privacy notices and privacy policies are presented. As you can see here, this is a privacy notice. They are limited by the information presented to the user. They have only one type of information, so user doesn't understand what's happening to his data or to their data. And also they are static in nature, meaning they do not push any updates, and they have no variation regarding the device, data type, and use. There are also the privacy policy, so the picture to the right. They are also fail in delivering the privacy information to the user. Although they have lots of information in them, they are not limited by the information, but they are too long and they are hard to read, and they have lots of technical terms. So in our work here, we designed a tangible device, so that's set to reform the presentation of the privacy notices to include more meaningful information to the user in a nice and a concise way. So the PrivacyCube here can provide variable privacy notices based on the used IoT device and the data it collects. So here I'll play the PrivacyCube demo for you, for you to see how it works.
Alexa, put on some music.
Here's Spotify.
Sunshine beckons to you, and the wings begin to unfold. I thought you were bringing a song to sing. I'm gonna keep you from the cold. And if the soul is weird among them, and its words may will my soul.
Okay, yeah, so there's the video. So as you've seen in the video, the PrivacyCube is a novel, tangible device. We designed it mainly to explore the extent to which privacy awareness in smart homes can be alleviated. So the PrivacyCube aims at assisting families to first understand the key privacy aspects better, and then also to have conversations around data management practices for the IoT devices, so that families can learn and make informed privacy decisions. So we chose the physical shape, and specifically a cube shape, because physical cubes, unlike mobile apps, they have long been used as a learning and exploration tool, because they have a more appealing embodiment of a more complex concept. They attract the user into learning and exploring about any concept. So the case of the cube is made of wood, and it has been laser cut to be shaped like a cube. It can also be easily assembled by slotting together with no glue or tools required. So there is a touch screen on the top face, as you can see here, and the bottom of the cube serves as the cube base, and all the other four faces here, these four faces, serves to show the related data practices. So the PrivacyCube will emit light as interactive privacy notices to the users to visualize the data collection activities. Users also can use the touch screen to interact with the PrivacyCube and explore the related privacy notices. So in the event of a data collection, as you've seen in the video, the top face will show the active IoT device. The active IoT device will turn to green, and all the other faces will emit lights related to that IoT device data practices. Based on the literature that we have read, individuals are interested in receiving privacy notices related to their data usage, the type, access, and location and retention of their data. So these are the things that we included in the PrivacyCube in each face of the cube to notify individuals about their data usage and collection and access. So we also refer to literature and multiple IoT devices real privacy policies to create this graph here that you can see. So this graph provides a mapping of the IoT devices displayed on the PrivacyCube to indicate the data type, use, and access. As you can see here, each IoT device has a unique color on the top of it to indicate the device, and also the identifiable data is shown in red, while non-identifiable data is shown in black. So lastly, the evaluation, we evaluated the PrivacyCube against the notion of meaningful privacy choices. The PrivacyCube simplifies learning about IoT devices and their data usage practices, which these features can increase the user awareness of the nearby IoT devices and their privacy considerations. The second thing is that integrating the identification of the IoT devices and their privacy notices in a single tangible device provides a comprehensive information regarding the IoT data practices, and this will in return assist users in understanding the implications of their privacy decisions. And last thing is that we believe that the cube design provides a more neutral ground for home occupants to engage with their IoT devices and their data collection. So thank you for listening, and please let me know if you have any questions.